To KETK's East Texas Live. Well, joining us in the living room now are Dr. Bratcher and Dr. Mitchell.
And today they're going to tell us about this week's Walk with the Doc topic. Good morning.
Morning, ladies.
Good morning. Thanks so much for joining us. So tell us what's going on this week.
What's really exciting is this is our 75th walk.
Wow.
We've been doing this since September of 2014, weekly walks at Rose Redmond.
Okay, and Dr. Bratcher, what are you really going to be hitting on this week then?
Well, the topic that we chose for this week is thyroid disease.
Okay, so what are you really going to delve into then?
I mean, I will go over the basics, but what's probably most helpful in these small settings is that patients get their own questions answered.
Yeah.
And so this is Walk with the Doc. For people that don't know what this is, can you explain?
Well, it's a national program started by Dr. Sabgir in Ohio. We brought this to Tyler back in September of 14. As we got a grant from the Texas Medical Association. So Smith County Medical Society physicians have volunteered their time to give these free health lectures, and then the doctors in their shorts walk with the participants at the park.
Yeah, and so this is the 75th walk you were saying.
Yes.
So obviously you've had good responses. Why do you think the community is so engaged in this event?
Well, I think it's a unique opportunity for the doctors and the community to kind of bond together.
Yeah.
It was really easy to find physicians interested because they don't get that chance necessarily in the office to really get to know their patients as well, and I think that's why Dr. Bratcher
Yeah, I was going to tell us, why do you think it's so important to get involved in this?
Well, I mean, education, of course I work at the university, and so education is our job, as well as taking care of patients, and taking care of patients, education is the most important thing. So the more you know, I really prefer patients that are engaged in their own care, and for us to be able to make shared decisions rather than, you know, I'm the doctor, do this. I want to know what your goals and, you know.
And not be afraid to maybe approach you or ask you questions.
Exactly.
Right, because I do think some people are, I don't think I'm intimidating, but, you know, I think some people are scared to ask questions.
Yeah.
And so this is a great opportunity for them to just find out what they want to find out.
And we're not intimidating at all. We're wearing shorts, t-shirts, just like everybody
Everyone's
else.
in workout
your
gear.
grungy outfits,
Yes.
doesn't matter. And so Walk with the Doc, you do this every week. So
We
what
do.
are some of the upcoming topics?
I think we have one on sleep and health.
Okay.
I don't have the thing
Oh,
in front of me.
I'm
but
sure there's a
yeah.
long list, but it's
Yes.
great that you have a different topic each week.
Yes, and there are different specialties. We've had plastic surgeons come on talking about mommy makeover in the past.
Oh, nice.
Wound care specialists talking about wound care 101 and what you should do if you should cut yourself. And so we've had a variety of topics.
Okay, so what time does this all take place then on Thursday?
Thursday at Rose Redmond at the Copeland Road Trailhead
Okay.
at 6 p.m.
Okay.
And do people need to sign up at all, or they can just
They'll just
kinda
show up.
Oh, that's
It's
great.
free, and it's
Wear your tennis
everyone.
shoes and you'll be good.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
ladies.
you both so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, now we're going to